Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Security Captain. This video is a part of our playlist called AI Tools. And today we will be discussing an AI tool called Tome. This tool helps us to create PPTs basis what we write. In order to access this tool, you can go to tom.app and get it registered. So I'll say try Tome and I'll use my Google account in order to continue with it. It is having some of the templates. You can go with a blank canvas as well. And in order to create, I'll click on the create button. You will get some free credits that are mentioned previously on the lower left hand corner. So this is the prompt. Let me write something. Create a presentation for or create a presentation on. I have written a prompt to create the roles and responsibilities of a CISO in a particular organization. Tome as a tool is suggesting some of the titles of the various slides that it is going to create. For example, first will be the introduction, then what is CISO, risk management, compliance, incident response, and conclusion. We can play around with the order of the slides if we want to do that. In case we want to remove a particular slide, we can click on the minus sign and it will remove it. In case we feel that there is more to it, we can click on the plus button and we can give a title to the slide. For example, after risk management, I'll try to add one more slide that talks about governance. I will add one more slide just to check what it states, and it will talk about data security. And in case you're not happy with the titles of the slides, you can use this refresh button and it will try to create some more titles, or it will try to change the order of it. And let's hit continue and see what it does. So it will take some time to come up with the different slides and images that it tries to create. So a bit of a caution here that the kind of images that the tool generates is somewhat comic in nature. So that is something that I will not suggest to be used in office environment unless and until you are working in a comic industry or you are actually writing comics or any kind of magazines. This is the introductory slide. Then we have the slide number one, which talks about introduction, and there is a small image next to it. What is a CISO? We have a write-up of all these things that talks about CISO, risk management, governance. So governance and data security were the tabs that we had entered that we want these two slides. This tool gives a very good starting point for any of the presentation that you are working on. It will give you the context that how you can create a skeleton for the presentation that you are going for. Moreover, it also gives you some sort of base material that you can use right away. You can use this as a base and then build on top of it on how to make it look more professional and used in the office environment. So I'll keep this slide and I'll try to see what I can do. Export to PDF, rename, add logo, and there is an option to go for full screen as well. So this is how it is going to look. All these slides are editable. For example, in case you want to change this particular image, then you can do that. Let me show you right away. So I have written a prompt to create the image of a CISO dressed as Batman. Let me try to generate a couple of images and see. I'm just trying to show what are the capabilities of. Let's use this in our slide. So yes, this was all about it. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe.